First and most importantly, press the record button on your camera to record video. This will record whatever you see on your viewfinder. When you want to stop recording, press the record button again to stop recording. This might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many new videographers get caught up in doing everything and forget to press the record button. Most of you will be using a DSLR camera. Most DSLR cameras have a video recording time limit that is usually around 20 to 29 minutes. If you're considering purchasing a new camera, it is worth noting that some Panasonic DSLRs do not have a DSLR recording limit in certain modes. At this time, it's been verified that the Panasonic G7 does not have a recording limit in the US version when in AVC HD mode. So be sure to check your camera's instruction manual for a more definitive answer for your specific camera's recording limit. After the recording limit is reached, the camera will automatically stop recording. While this might be a bit of an inconvenience, it usually isn't a big deal. All you have to do is press the record button again if it stops. 1 second might be missed while the recording is reset. That is one of the reasons why we need to use 2 cameras. If you're shooting a longer event, like a wedding ceremony with a DSLR camera, it would be a good idea to be proactive in resetting the recording time. Don't wait until the camera reaches the recording limit by itself. Instead, reset the recording when there is a lull in the action, or a place where you might put a transition, such as during the wedding ceremony after one of the songs ends. The camera might reach its recording time limit during a time that you wouldn't want to miss, so keep the recording time limit in mind. One way to deal with the recording limit of Canon and Nikon DSLRs is a firmware hack called Magic Lantern. Magic Lantern is stored on the SD card that you're using, and does not modify the camera. In addition to adding a whole slew of features to the camera's interface, Magic Lantern will automatically restart the recording so that you don't have to do it manually. This can come in handy when shooting longer events. Now, for legal reasons, we can't tell you how to install Magic Lantern. However, there are many tutorials on the internet and on YouTube that you can follow.